Hey fourth years, just in case you hadn't noticed, you're fifth years. And this will probably be our last assembly, although a very beautiful setting for our last assembly. You guys have been an absolutely brilliant year group. You have worked so hard. You knocked the prelims out of the park. You've been a gazillion raising attainment sessions. You worked brilliantly. And do you know what? I'm pretty sure that that hard work will still show up in your exam results. So try not to worry about them too much. Don't forget to sign up to my SQA app, and that will keep you all informed and you get all your exam results when you're supposed to. I hope you guys are all good. I know that it's not easy in this lockdown. I know that your staff miss you like crazy and are really looking forward to seeing you whenever that's safe to do so. I hope that you're able to get out and about. As you can hear and see, I am. You can hear the birds chirping away. I hope you're exercising. I hope you're reading books. And I hope you're looking after the people that you're able to look after. I hope you're reaching out to each other online. And I hope you've started to have a little look at some of your new courses. So your teachers are working really hard to deliver online content for you, either through Show My Homework or through Microsoft Teams. So if there's something that's not working for you, drop me an email, I'll help you out wherever I can. But now's the time to really kind of get used to this new normal, and that's going to look like online learning for a wee bit perhaps. So we need to get stuck into this. Now we know that employers have been looking for flexible, creative thinkers with good IT skills. Well, no messing about it now. We've got to get on with that, okay? And I have no doubt whatsoever that you will completely and utterly knock it out the park. So look forward to seeing you online at some point in a lesson. Wish you the best of luck in fifth year. Your year head's now going to be Mrs. Davey. Mrs. Davey is an absolute legend. She's brilliant at sorting out courses, at sorting out university placement, college placements, work placements, holiday schemes, all sorts of stuff to make sure that you guys get the best possible future you can. So I wish you the best of luck. Work hard. Even although you're at home, you still need to be working hard, okay? And the best of luck. See you later.